There was a time before peanut butter had jelly, before peanut butter had chocolate, and it was just plain old boring peanut butter by itself. Our point is that sometimes things are better when they're smooshed together. Keep watching, and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. So while getting 8 packages a day delivered from Amazon sounds like a lot of fun, things started to get a little crowded here in Matt's garage. All we ask is for you to get involved. Like the video, comment on the products you'd like to win, subscribe to Review to You with notifications enabled so that we can let you know each week when the winners are announced. So it's Men's Monday, where we review the coolest products the guys might like. Any guesses what this bad boy is? It's the SoundForm Elite Hi-Fi Smart Speaker. So what's plugged into your nightstand right now? An alarm clock? A phone charger? Maybe a small pint-sized speaker? We'll bet it's a mess of cords that take up way too many power outlets. The common trend right now is to combine devices into one package deal. The SoundForm Elite Hi-Fi Smart Speaker is the result of some pretty clever engineering that packs a whole heap of tech into something that's really no bigger than a couple bottles of water. It's a combination of built-in wireless charging pad for your QI-enabled smartphone, absolutely booming speaker, and a Google Assistant home helper. In short, 3 gizmos in just one gizmo. Devialet is a well-known name in the extreme high-end speaker market, and it's your lucky day. The France-based audiophiles have collaborated with Belkin to pack as much punch into the SoundForm Elite speakers as they possibly can. So what do we like about the SoundForm Elite? Do you like your bass in your face? Well, even if you don't, you can always just turn it down a little bit. Intense bass response is what Devialet is known for, and the push-push architecture that is the hallmark of their $5,000 plus costing units has found its way into the SoundForm Elite. This is a technology that minimizes unwanted vibrations that corrupt low-end frequencies. While you won't feel the sound reverberating inside your chest cavity, it's a surprising amount of sound from a unit that is 6.4 inches along all axis. This is courtesy of a single 35mm full-range driver paired with a duo of 70mm subwoofers. Belkin claims the unit can crank out 90 decibels. And we'd be inclined to believe him. We set up the speaker in the garage and it had no problem filling out the room. Although there's no dedicated app or software from Belkin, there really isn't a need for it. Just simply stream YouTube, Tidal, or whatever you listen to your music on straight from your phone. Speaking of streaming, the Wi-Fi adapter is no slouch. It will do dual band 802.11 AC, no problems at all, with additional support for Bluetooth 5, so you have your choice of linkage to a single device or your home network. You can link the speaker to any existing groups you may have made with Google Home, and there is even an option to use 2 SoundForm Elites in stereo configuration as paired devices. Add in the fact it can be your new alarm clock or any other reminders you have set in Google Home, and it's a unit with a lot to love about it. What's the downside? If you're looking for a speaker to rival the immensely popular Sonos One, then you better keep looking. Though the SoundForm Elite will likely keep up in the bass department, the highs and mids are much better on the Sonos unit. But then again, a Sonos won't charge your phone and let you know what a Tasmanian devil sounds like. Trust us, if you have Google Home, you have to try this out. So what's the verdict? We give it an outstanding rating of 4 out of 5 stars. For such a small package, the SoundForm Elite pushes out some serious volume. And although it may lack a little bit in the mid and high range polish, most users won't be able to tell the difference. Also, it charges your phone. And you can even ask it crazy questions. winning, and the SoundForm Elite Hi-Fi smart speaker could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag Elite. That's it. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.